Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl, Antoria J, and today I'm just here to show y'all like my skincare routine or whatever. So I never was the one to have acne until I got pregnant, and then my skin just like went to shambles. So I found some products, and it's only 3 products, you guys, because I be seeing these skincare routines and they be using so much shit. It be like, come on now, girl, who finna go out and buy all that shit? But this stuff is affordable products, and it helped me clear my skin up in 2 weeks. So, and I'm gonna insert some before and after pictures for you guys. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I do every day, and I do this day and night. Okay, so if you're interested and seeing how I cleared up my acne in 2 weeks, stay tuned. So, first thing, I just take some warm water. Not hot, but warm. And I just splash it, like I just wet my face pretty much. This is the first product that I use, and it is the Cetaphil. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. You can find this at your local Walmart. I believe it's like $3 or $4, so it's very affordable and it works really good. So I take like 2 pumps of that. That's it, just 2 pumps. And I kind of, rub it in, put a little water on it, make it a little soapy. And I just put it all over my face. So just rub it in, I put it everywhere. Once I have it rinsed off, I just take a small towel and I just damp. I don't wipe, I tap it, whatever this called, pat it. Okay. So I just pat it dry. Okay. Okay, so now that I have washed my face, product number 2, I take my witch hazel. Very affordable. You can get this from Family Dollar, you can get this from Walmart, you can get this from pretty much anywhere, any drugstore. So now you can use those little cotton pads or cotton balls, but I'm just gonna use this clean dry towel that I use just to dry my face off with, and I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit. I don't use much, just a little bit like that, and then I just put this works as a toner, by the way. So I just rub this all over my face. Okay. So once I have done that, I kind of just like to let this air dry a little bit. Like I just use my hand to like let it dry up. Okay, so now that that is complete, this is my secret, y'all. And I'll just explain. But now that you have your face washed and toned, my face feels wonderful, by the way. Y'all see that glow? I see that glow. Now this is product number 3. This has been a lifesaver as well. This leaves my skin feeling so good and moisturized all day. Okay, so this is called the, I'm gonna insert links below for all the products that I use. But I got this from Sephora. It's called the Ultra Repair Cream. It's a intense hydration. But the company is First Aid Beauty. But I'm gonna leave the link below or whatever. So this, you don't need a lot of it. I just take like, as y'all can see, I'm running out. I use this stuff every day. Twice a day, but this should be enough, like that much. Rub it in. You don't need a lot. And I just put it all over my face. My face feels so clean and like it feels so moisturized. I love this stuff. And this is not a sponsored video. I wish it was. Because I need all my coins. Okay, so that is pretty much it. This was quick, short, straight to the point. That wraps this video up. And this is pretty much how I cleared my skin in 2 weeks, you guys. So let me know. I want you guys to try this out, you know, if you're struggling with your skin, because this is what really helped me. Like, I tried that Black Africa soap. No, bro, none of that stuff worked. But this is one skincare routine that actually worked for me. This is no gimmicks. This is not sponsored. This is just what I did for 2 weeks to help clear my skin after I had my baby. So I hope you guys learned something. I hope this helped someone. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Like, come on, y'all. I'm trying to become a full-time YouTuber, so I need y'all to help support me. Smash the subscribe button and share this video, please. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.